Lecsó is just like a family. No two are ever quite the same. Some cook it this way, some cook it that way, but everybody agrees on one thing: when it's finally ready, you'll definitely be back for seconds. One smoked sausage waiting on the board, 1 kilogram of tomatoes for the Lord, half a kilo of green peppers bright, 2 large onions make the flavor right, 2 tablespoons of lard or cooking oil below, salt and pepper join the show. In the pot, the Lecsó comes alive. Summer flavors start to thrive. Jack Lecsó bubbling in the pot, GastRock playing on a summer afternoon spot. Peppers and tomatoes making music in the air. The sausage keeps the rhythm, aromas everywhere. Lecsó, family melody. Every home keeps its own secret recipe. But when the meal is ready and the family gathers near, everyone lines up for seconds here. Slice the onions into rings with care, into hot lard or oil waiting there. Let them slowly soften as they should. Then the sliced sausage joins the mood. Cook on low heat till the sausage starts to brown. Kitchen aromas drifting all around. Add the sliced green peppers to the pot. Then the tomatoes join the lot. Carefully stir everything together, like a band searching for harmony forever. Season with salt and pepper as you go. Taste along the way and let the flavors grow. Tried Lecsó bubbling in the pot, GastRock playing on a summer afternoon spot. Peppers and tomatoes making music in the air. The sausage keeps a rhythm, every spoonful's worth the fare. Lecsó, family melody. Every home keeps its own secret recipe. But when the meal is ready and the family gathers near, everyone lines up for seconds here. Now you have to be careful with the salt. Don't overdo it. Cook it until tender with the lid half on. And while it's simmering, the eternal debate begins. What belongs in Lecsó? Some say only peppers, tomatoes and onions. Some say without sausage, it's not Lecsó at all. Some crack eggs into it, some serve it with rice. And then there's that uncle. This isn't Lecsó. Then what is it? It's delicious, but it's not Lecsó. Nobody knows what he thinks Lecsó really is, but he always waits for a second helping. Lecsó, bubbling in the pot, GastRock playing in the kitchen hot. Lecsó, Hungarian song. Families keep cooking it all year long. Every home, every taste, every secret line. But Lecsó brings the family together every time. Lecsó is just like a family. No two are ever quite the same, and maybe that's exactly why we love it so much. Lecsó, 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 Lecsó.